Hello, my little champs. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Hey kids, are you doing all the work given by me? Are you doing all the activities at home? Yes. So if you are doing these activities at home, so why are you not sending me? So please send me photographs and videos. Okay, I am waiting for your photographs and videos. Okay. Very good. So I'm going to tell you one story. Are you ready? This story is about a lion and a rat. So let's start the story. Once upon a time, there lived a lion in forest. One day after a heavy meal, it was sleeping under a tree. After a while, there came a mouse and it started to play on the lion. Suddenly the lion woke up with anger and looked for the one who disturbed its sweet sleep. Then it saw a small mouse trembling with fear. The big lion jumped on it and was getting ready to feast upon the little mouse. The mouse requested the lion to forgive it. The lion thought for a while and felt pity and let the mouse go, and the mouse ran away. On another day, the lion was caught in a net by a hunter. The poor lion lay there helpless. It was then the mouse appeared and helped the lion escape by cutting the net. Thus the lion was able to escape. Thereafter, the mouse and the lion became best friends and they lived happily ever after in the forest. So this is the story about a big lion and a small mouse. So kids, I hope you like this story. And story में क्या था? Lion and a rat. Lion क्या होता है? Big animal or small animal? Lion was a big animal in this story and rat was a small animal in this story. But जो small animal rat जो था उसने big animal की भी help की, है ना? तो कभी किसी को छोटा नहीं समझना चाहिए, right? So today we will going to learn about small and big concept. Are you ready? Big means bada and small means chota. Big, small, big, small. Let's understand this concept with the help of some object. So here I have one ball. This is a big ball. This is a big ball. Big मतलब बड़ा, है ना? And I have one small ball. Big, small, big, small. Let's see. So here I have one plate. This is a big plate and this is a small plate. Big plate, small plate. Right? I have two scissors. This is a big scissor. This is a small scissor. Okay. I have one tray. This is a small tray. This is a big tray. Right? Big, bada, small, chota. Now, this cup is big and this is small. This is for ma'am and this is for my kids. Here I have two talcum powder. This is small and this is big. This car is small car and this car is big one. Okay. I have two balls. This one is big and this is small. Okay. I have two pots. This is small and this one is big. Now you understand. So look at here. I have two plants. This is a small plant and this is a small pot, flower pot. This is a big plant and this is a big flower pot. So kids, now you understand? Okay, very good. I know you all are very smart kids. So kids, let's play one game. Are you ready? What we have to do, यहाँ पे मैम ने बिग एंड स्मॉल लिखा है. हमें क्या करना है, जो बिग ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं वो बिग में रखना है एंड स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट्स को स्मॉल में रखना है. ओके, सो दिस इज अ बिग बॉल, सो वी विल कीप इट हियर. दिस इज अ स्मॉल बॉल, सो वी विल कीप इट हियर. स्मॉल सीजर कहाँ जाएगा? स्मॉल. बिग सीजर, big. Small plate here and big plate here. Small plant and big tree. Big cup and small cup. Small tray and big tray. ठीक है, इस तरह से हम अपनी चीज़ों को बिग एंड स्मॉल में अरेंज करेंगे. ओके, लेट्स प्ले वन मोर गेम. सो किड्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस गेम. इस गेम में क्या करना है, मैम ने क्या किया है, अपनी आईज के ऊपर क्या बांधनी है, स्कार्फ बांधना है. ओके, एंड आपको टच करके बताना है कि कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट बिग है एंड कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट स्मॉल है. ओके, आप बताना मैम ने सही बताया है गलत. ओके, दिस इज अ बिग टेडी बियर एंड दिस इज अ स्मॉल टेडी बियर. दिस इज अ स्मॉल कार एंड दिस इज अ बिग कार. Next, 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 next. Oh. This is a big book and this is a small book. What next? What next? This is a big container and this is a small container. This is a small bowl and this one is big bowl. Yay! We did it. I did it. Very good kids. So kids, you have to play this game with your mother and father and इसकी recording करके and send it to me through WhatsApp. Okay? So kids, I am waiting for your photos and videos. Okay? Take care of yourself. Bye bye.